Hello guys. Hello. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope we are live as well. Let me check if you guys can hear me and we are live. Then we'll go to uh, try to understand certain levels on the charts. Oh my god, I would say that crazy going on. Everything. Woke up quite late today. I woke up around like 8:30. My alarm was like 6:30. I closed the alarm and then went for sleep again. Woke up at 8. 8:30, 11:30, come back home from gym. And then I just opened the charger. I went for sleep, fall asleep again. Then just woke up at 2 o'clock again. So I shouldn't. That's how I actually do not want to do. I actually wanted to wake up early, like 6, 5, 6, 6 to 8 gym, come back home 10 to 12, sleep, and then 12 to onward working on. So I was late 2 hours today, literally late 2 hours. So I could not be able to watch even news as well. This was the news candle 8:30. I actually wanted to watch the news candle, but I could not be able to watch that. This was news candle 8:30. Market one day to the side. We will discuss everything on charts. This was more of like my life, which is going not according to trading. It should be according to trading. So we'll go to the charts. This is a 9:34 on the house. 9:34 you can see in here, and we have two possibilities: always continuation or reversal on charts, or maybe sideways Shopee price action. We have news today. We have seen volatility on charts today because of the news. So I will be anticipating and this volatility, this upward side price action from here has disturbed, knocked all of those previous highs on charts, all of these daily highs, this high and this high. Yesterday, we was discussing this kind of concern at this range, like continuation toward upper side or reversal, and then market reversed from this range, leaving all of those highs in play. At this range, it was trading more of like that. And I was just discussing with you guys, like, if for example market is not aggressively bearish from here on bigger picture time frame to disrupt all of those lows, market range up at this range tomorrow, I will be looking from the market to be bullish, looking for again try to go to the upper side to try to disrupt all of those highs on a market. I was more for like, if this is the top on a charts, market should have to aggressively go down. If this is not the top, it will come back again, try to disrupt this high. And this is the thing we have seen after late in the night sideways, market late in the night sideways at this range, and market open just went down a little bit, and then after the new day opening could have been a good buy as well, because market was not going down this range, not going down open. You look for the buy in here, you buy in here. You knew for the fact that these highs you're not at all confident on. These highs should be knocked off in today on charts. And look at this. This is what I was thinking. This could have been a good trade. I would say a buy trade from you, buying in here all the way bottom, chasing all of those highs in on a market. You're confident as well on this kind of trade. So we could not be able to take the trade today. Till now, I have not taken any trade for this week. No, on Monday we took two trade. On Monday we took two trade. It was more of like a break even and loss. Yesterday I did not take any trade, and then here I am today. So we have disturbed this bullish price action from the market toward upper side, has disrupted all of these daily highs on charts. This is the all of those highs which we was anticipating from the market to be knocked off yesterday, but today it has knocked off because of news, volatility on charts. And we have like two possibilities on charts. First of all, like overall after all time high, market has been going down, creating low high, going down. This is the previous major low high on a charts. Let's just, for the first probability and anticipation on trending environment, you anticipate just not to go above the previous high, then go down. Market failed to go toward downside from here, just go toward upper side. Local highs could be knocked off, then also market could be bearish as well from here. So this is the major high on charts. These are the local highs, which has been knocked from the charts. Market could go toward upper side. This is a daily fair value gap, 50% and upper level of fair value gap as well we are trading at. And I am anticipating or expecting from the market from this big range, 50% of the range, upper level and this range, for the market to create lower high again, and then go down to disrupt all of those lows and this weekly and daily low as well on charts. This is what it is. I'm in a more of like on a bigger picture time frame, because the second reason why the first is more of like because we are bearish. The second reason is we have a reason for the market to go down as well toward low levels, which is all of those lows. I'm not at all confident on all of those lows. If you watch out on 4 hour time frame charts or shorter term time frame as well, these lows are like I've been telling you for quite a time that I'm not at all confident on all of those lows. The weight is creating all of those lows. I was telling you the weight is creating all of those lows. I'm not at all confident on all of them, and at some point they will be knocked. This month is a month of September. We can see that first week more of like choppy. Can anticipate that second week, maybe at the end of the second week, we can anticipate more of a like downside per second for the market. In the month of September, there is no denying about that from charts. So this is the thing on bigger picture time frame. I am anticipating or expecting for the market to be knocked off, and also in that case scenario, we will be looking for the rejection at this range on charts. I don't know, because this is a quite big range on charts. Going for a short right now, it is not easy. Like you need to have a confirmation on charts that what point you'll be really looking to go for a short, or either way, maybe it is possible that maybe market has to not to go downside from here. Market has to be bullish from here. This is also possible as well. We cannot deny about that. Maybe it has to be aggressively bullish from here and then continue to hold this area on a bigger picture time frame, then be bullish. Maybe I'm just anticipating that just on a bigger picture time frame, market could be bearish from here, but it is also possible that market could continue to hold this area, then go toward upper side. We can anticipate a major bounce from here toward upper side, all the way to all of those highs. There is a point of control and value area high of the range as well in here, and then to all the way to these ranges as well. Then market from here maybe show rejection, or maybe we'll see at this range how will market perform. It is also possible as well on bigger picture time frame. We cannot deny about this kind of projection as well. So far locally, market is going toward upper side. We are open. We This is 940 on a house right now. This was 500 time frame fairly gap. So if it has to be aggressively bullish from here, I would anticipate or expect from the market. Market should have to not to go even below the previous local lows and tends to be bullish from here. Try to knock the previous highs or 50% of the daily fair value gap, upper level of the daily fair value gap as well. This is what it is. We are watching and observing the charts from here for now. But I'm also asking myself this question as well: what most of the people would not be thinking right now on charts? Either continuation toward upper side. Continuation toward upper side means that it is possible. This we have this 30-minute fair value gap in here as well. Below this low, I don't know. I'm not sure. Some point and somewhere we have a 30-minute half-yearly gap as well in here. Market keeping it open and then going toward upper side from here. Think is just this low in here. This is a 30-minute time frame fair value gap. Market have into that going toward upper side from here. So I'm asking myself this one question as well, like what most of the people would not be thinking from the chart in the market right now. Like right now, what most of the people would not be thinking. They would not be thinking about maybe these lows to be knocked off. I believe so for the bearish case scenario possible. Most of the people look at this bullish price action and then They would be anticipating continuation toward upper side. Okay, for the reversal, maybe these lows. Okay, for the continuation toward upper side, maybe they would be not looking at these highs, these highs, these highs, or maybe market has to just to perform today as something for in more of like you can say before the news, after news market may be choppy. It is also possible, but so far it is going toward upper side. I'm not feeling any kind of like uh missing a move or any kind of these things. Just watching and observing the charts right now. I knew for the fact that this is a quite big range. We can be remain sideways at this range, and we can even spend a complete whole day inside this range to be bearish from here. So far, it is going toward upside. Let's see if it continue to be bullish from here. 1014,500 from here. I'll be looking for. Can I go for a trade? Can I buy at this range? Considering the market is already bullish, it's not even go below these lows. My stop loss will be. I can't put my stop loss in here. Can't my stop loss, put my stop loss in here. My stop loss is not defined yet, so not going for any kind of trade. Anticipating continuation toward upper side, 1 of 14,500 from here, which is the upward level of that daily fair gap. Let's see. So it has kept this 30-minute time fair gap open, which shows like it really wants to go to the upper side. So, but I cannot buy in here, guys. Sorry to say, I cannot buy in here. I don't know which way market will go from here. I actually don't know. But I have seen that most of the time when market is actually bullish, it usually do like this. The way it has done today. The way it has done today. Like I would say this low creating low high, it was bullish. It did not even go below any of the previous even 1 minute time frame lows as well. Just going up. Trading it will be trading very close to the previous lows and then not will not go below the previous lows and then going up. So same thing we have seen today as well. Just this one just come down a little bit, disturb this low, local low. And it went sideways at this range, and from here it was bullish. And then when it has to not to go toward upper side, oh my god. When it has to not to go toward upper side, or maybe it has to be bearish. We have seen that so many times. Like it is, you hate yourself. Like why market is not going up, and then it because it not has to. And today it has to go toward upper side. Look at this. Does not matter about the spots. It does not matter about the resistances. All of those resistances, all of those spots does not matter about the market. Market actually don't care about all of them. They are there just for us to retail traders to trap us actually. But most of the time you will see that market will be doing whatever it has to do and whatever it wants to do, considering how the fundamentally it is performing right now. How where are we right now at the time, like the element of time which is important. September bullish. Look at this, like this week more of like we're going toward upper side. I believe so. If market continue to show rejection from this range, everybody will be bullish looking for the market to go toward upper side. But I believe so next week you will see a severe downside side projection from the market. You'll see if it has to go toward downside side, you'll see it will scare most of the people, and then it will be going down from there. Most of the people will be looking at right now at the moment. Everybody is bullish, looking for the market to go toward upper side. Yes, you can do a very small scalp trade, like for example buying in here, just anticipating. For example, buying in here, keeping anticipating, keep this real gap open. You can put your stop loss in here. Look for all of those highs, or maybe this high as well. Maybe continuation to upper side. But I would be not feeling confident to take this trade. By the way, any point it could show rejection and then come down. But I need a confirmation on charts. My stop loss should be well defined, and then I'll be looking for a real target. Until unless I'm not jumping into any kind of trade, even though it could be small scalp as well. But this is the thing which is very important in trading. Like your lifestyle is like should be your lifestyle, however you live your life, however you spend your time, it should be according to trading, according to charts all the time. And I'm really off from that. This is what I'm more of like pissing myself today. I have not even done even anything. I woke up late, come back from the gym late, went for a sleep late, woke up late. Oh my god. This is the yesterday we went for sleep like 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. I was looking to go to sleep at 10 o'clock in the night, 10 to 6. 6 o'clock I'll woke up and 6 to 8 gym, 8 to 10. So this is what I was defining myself to do. But you have to have a disciplined life, man. In trading, if you want to do trading, you have to have a disciplined life, and we have to arrange everything according to trading. But like this time I have to be in front of the charts. I will sleep well, eat well before everything, and then I'll be in front of the charts. No bullshit, no TikTok, no social media, no everything. And then so I have not even defined my daily goals as well to right now. Like I don't know, like usually I do this before at 10 11. we have to be very careful because at this range on bigger picture time frame, we are already bearish. I'm already bearish and I'm already looking for the market to go toward downside from here. We have just 953 on the house. If we watch out, there's no denying from the fact that most of the people will not be thinking about these lows, which is what I have highlighted in here. If these lows could be knocked off, we will be knocking all of those lows going further toward downside as well. I believe so. Maybe today it could happen, maybe tomorrow it could happen, maybe next week this could happen. I believe so. These last 2 3 days, market may remain bearish. Tomorrow and Thursday as well, Friday as well, market could remain bearish on charts, and then we'll see aggressive downside projection from there all the way toward low levels. It could be going all the way to this range as well. You can anticipate a swing short in here from the market, but you need confirmation. You need confirmation for that. So that's why right now, I at this range I am looking to go for a swing short, but I need confirmation on charts. But look at this. If you watch out, just a simple thing I really wanted to discuss with you guys. This structure is more of like a bullish from here. This is a low. This is a lower high. This is another low high. And I wanted to see another low high at this range for the continuation toward upper side. If market went down from this range below this low, we are going down to knock all of those lows and this low as well. And I am very well known of the fact that most of the people are bullish at this range and they're looking for higher levels. And smart money knew everybody's bullish. So this is not the thing like this. The we have to as a day trader we have to figure out at what point smart money would be aligning themselves according to retail traders. Maybe at some point they have to agree with the sorry retail traders as well. The reason is uh, the reason is they have to keep them retail traders happy as well now because they have to keep them in the game by agreeing with them. If always smart money winning, this is not how it works. This market will work now right now. Like there will be always smart money and there will be no retail traders. So who will they take money from? It is not like that always. So most of the time it is smart money winning, but at some point they have to agree with the retail traders as well. They have to give very small amount of money, small amount of. So if you watch out, let me go to 15 minute time frame. This is messy chart, no? So still now, if you guys can see, this is a complete bullish price action from here till now. So far, I'm anticipating if this is the top on the charts. Just watching and observing. Do you think the for the bearish case scenario, because we are bearish at this range and we're looking for low levels, all of those highs has been knocked off, and we did not have any major high this range, which market has to knocked off, and then from here market will be bearish. Market, let's see. I'm just anticipating that for the bearish case scenario, if this is a top on charts, if this is a top on charts, because this range we are bearish, that's why, and it should, I would anticipating it should have to keep this fairly gap open, which is this fairly gap, this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. Just anticipating, I'm not jumping into any kind of trade, just anticipating that this is the fairly gap. It should have to keep this fairly gap open. Market, if it has to go down, we're not sure if it has to really go down or not, and then be bearish, disrupting all of those lows on charts. So it did not play it out yet. And for bullish case scenario, it should not have to go above the previous lows, which it has not gone down. So it has to disrupt the previous high, going to one of 14,500 from here. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. I've just anticipated this is the high, but I don't think so. This is the high. It will. This high will be knocked off. We're going to 114,500 from here. Can I buy in here? Just as asking myself this question. Put my stop loss in there. I'll put my stop loss in here. We'll be looking for 114,500 from here. Maybe further continuation. Can I buy a very small size? I can buy one small size. My stop loss, initial stop loss will be below this low, which is what we have been more of like doing. Should have kind of oh I did sell, man. It should have to reverse. This is not a idle trade, but you can take this trade. But took a hit. 21. 21. This is not a very good trade, by the way. I'm not really confident, but you can take this trade. The reason is we're bullish. So, and the previous size we're not really confident on. We're going toward upper side, continuation toward upper side. 1 of 14,500 we're looking for. That's the previous side, and 1 of 14,500 we're looking for. In that case scenario, we have seen that we have market have not shown any intent to go below the previous lows, even on 1 minute time frame, which is this one. This point as well, like do not go below this previous low, create low high, going toward upper side. Same thing I'm anticipating right now, continuation toward upper side to disrupt the previous high and then go to it. You can take a very small trade, yeah. It will be more of like knocking the looking for previous highs when market is like really bullish, so or bearish, so you can. And we are entering the market quite late as well. Like it has already been bearish at some point. It could be look, sorry, it is already bullish. At some point it could be bearish as well from here, we don't know. And then that's why you have to be like very pretty much leery about how what kind of trade you took. You don't know, maybe it has to give this high then go down because hey, possible. But we have seen this is a rejection from here, not denying. This is not a very good trade, by the way. Like I would not put it. I'm not willing to put my real money into this trade. I would not do that. This is just a demo. So I'll keep my stop loss in there to see if how it reacts to the certain levels and price action. 5 minute time we have this early gap as well. So let me highlight this one. 15 minute time frame. I wanted to see 15 minute time frame, maybe a choppy price action on just maybe at this point. Oh, you can put your stop loss below 5 minute time frame early gap as well. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. This is my chart is getting messy. chart is getting messy more. So this is more of like 5 minute time really gap as well. I actually don't did not have a lot of things to do apart from trading. Actually have to define my daily goals and all that through the thingy, which I should have done before opening all that stuff. But I am actually pissed myself on that because I've not done anything. Just watching and observing, keeping my stop loss below the previous low, which is there. Still looking for previous highs to be knocked off because we're bullish. That's why. Can I add? Just waiting. I'm not adding right now. There will be days on trading like you will feel like this is easy trade because you have gone through like so much difficult time. That's why. And it will be days like this, like when you're trending environment, you'll be just following the trend, and then the most difficult days are the days when market is remain choppy. These are the most difficult trades days to trade on. But I feels like I have a good grip on them right now. Like I know for now, like for the fact that when market will be choppy, I have to be careful. So sometimes you're wrong as well, but I can see that now because on Monday I was like anticipating a choppy price and I went for a trade, but still it was choppy and it remained choppy. But Tuesday out as well, I was anticipating choppy pricing, but yesterday we have seen volatility on charts. But that's how it is. Sometimes you're wrong, sometimes you're right, but you have to be content with how our market. If market give me a opportunity to add on right now, I may look to add because I'm not confident on previous highs and we're bullish. And I wanted to see if how market is performing on 15-minute time frame in here. So for after 9:30, we this is more of a like choppy price action from the charts. This is not a clean upward side price action. If you can see 9:30, 5 minute time frame, we go to 5 minute time frame, 9:30, 9:35, which is more like just from here to here. Market is up till now. There's not much volatility on charts, and we have to know that this is a bigger picture time frame, big resistance we are trading inside. So just keep this 30 minute time frame up going up. 1 hour time frame, we are more like going up toward upper side. 4 hour time frame as well, we have open gone up. This is the thing. This 4 hour time frame is more of like scary. Look at this open and then straight we're going toward upper side. Maybe close bearish. Oh my god, could be bearish as well from here. The rate has opened, but it could be bullish as well, so we don't know. So anything can happen at any point. We have to be careful. As long as you're not risking too much, and then you're fine. And you have a logic reasons to go for trade. Not doing any kind of trade right now, or like I'm not confident to put my real money into this trade. This is the thing. Sure. Can I add on in here? Like, not sure. I actually did not want to do anything right now apart from trading, so I'll keep my phone away. So this is also a thing, like it would have already gone up toward upper side if it really has to be going toward upper side, but it is taking its time. This market is taking its time. But this is not at all ideal trade. I would not put my real money into that because it could go toward upper side. I would not put my real money into this mess. So far, this is a mess. 15-minute time frame. It's 10:20 19 now in house. 30-minute time frame going toward upper side. 1 hour time frame going toward upper side. Do you think in 1 minute, 1 hour time frame market could be bullish from here? It should be bullish from here. 30-minute time frame, yeah. 15 time frame as well. If I get the opportunity to add on, I may try to add on, but so far I did not find the opportunity to add on. So look at this. It has been remaining sideways, but still not did not go below this low. Should still not go below this low. Technically speaking, your stop loss should be below this low now. Now it should have to invert this fairly gap. Invert this fairly gap and be bullish from here. Leading bullish right now, looking for previous highs to be knocked off, not confident on them. So far, we have seen that market has not shown any intent to go below the previous lows. Possible because it is choppy price action. So far, it could be going down from here. Possible, and that's why I'm not willing to put my real money into risk. But you can buy because this structure is more for like telling me market wants to go toward upper side. As long as you're not risking too much, you can buy. Can I add in here? So this is a bullish order block right now. This is a bullish order block right now, and this is the low. Technically speaking, your stop loss should be below this low now. I'm keeping my stop loss a little bit tight now. Let me confirm it here. Now this time it should have to go toward upper side. By the way, this is 1 minute time frame chart. This is not an ideal trade. I would say that, guys. I'm not really confident on this trade. I'm not confident right now to put my real money into risk as well. You can buy. It can go toward upper side. This is just a 50-50 probability. Can I put my real money into that, risking just this low and look for these high and that high? Do you think on weaker picture time frame market could be bullish from here? It's a 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, 4 hour time frame. You can risk that, by the way. You can risk this low, by the way, but it's fine. So I'll be looking for 114,500 from here to be out from the market. The previous high and 114,500 from here. And this morning session more of like choppy to me. Morning session is more of like choppy to me. We have seen volatility on out in the news was bullish, and this morning session is choppy at all. Look at this candle, man. Why it is not closing? Why it is closing like this? why it is why it closed like this? Should not have to. Now for real, market should not have to go below this low. These red candles, these red candles are the bullish order blocks. It will be great for market just to wick into those candles and then go to the upper side. Keeping my stop loss there, keeping my stop loss tight actually. So in that case scenario, like I have seen so many times, when market is like really bullish, it is not even willing to go below the previous 1 minute time frame lows. And even though it is very choppy and sideways, okay, for example, it is not going down below the lows, and then it is very choppy, not going really up as well. You can held that trade just putting a stop loss below the previous low. That's it. You can just hold on to that trade. I just actually wanted to do one of my another thing as well, which is very important to me to define my daily goal, what I have done today. But I am missing that for now. Uh, so now it has closed below. Definitely, it should not have to come down below this low now. Look at this, very choppy, and for me, very choppy price action from the market till now. Like it's just not going up, man. Slow, choppy, sideways, not ideal trading environment for me to put a real money into this into risk. And you can anticipate that this is a bigger picture time frame level of resistance. Maybe the previous high could be 8. Market's not going above the high, and from here roll down, possible as well. And you can anticipate choppy price action from the market because most of the retail trader will be looking for the market to go to an upper side, but market will remain choppy to scare most of the people. Uh, this is what most of the people would not be thinking as well. So not ideal trade. So not ideal environment for me to put a real money into this risk right now. This morning session, so we took this trade, but because we can risk that. That's why I took this trade. Uh, but it is not an obvious trade or not a very good trade. I would say that. So that's why we're just doing demo on here, not putting my real money into that. So yeah. In this week, I can be able to get just one good trade or two good trades. I will be content with it. Just two good trades, I'll be content with it. On my real account, yeah, I'll be happy really. Yeah. Yesterday we missed the trade. I would say that it was not a miss move. I was going for a short, but I was not expecting that, but played out so like that. So I believe so I have to be more in front of the charts right now. Maybe look to be in front of the charts after the new day opening bell as well. Morning session, afternoon session, and the new day opening bell. It will be great, by the way. Like if I get to be in front of the charts like 8 hours in those session and 4 hours more. So look at this now. It is going down. So still keep my stop loss there. We'll see. Uh, let me do some other stuff as well, man. I have to do some other stuff. So I'm doing some of my work at Twitter thingy. My yesterday, what I have done yesterday, and all that on my phone while doing the charts. So I may be quiet for some time. So but still bullish, still looking for the market to go to upper sales. I'm still keeping my stop loss there, and still I'm not confident on the previous highs. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Possible it could come down, disrupt these local lows, then be bullish. Technically speaking, it should have to be bullish from here if it has to go to the upper side, but it could come down, disrupt these lows. My chart is messy right now. I knew that. Could come down, disrupt those lows, maybe this area, then be bullish as well from here. So I'm keeping my stop loss just there below the previous low. You can do that. This is not ideal trade. I would say that I'm not willing to put my real money into the risk taking this trade, but we are because we're bullish, anticipating a bullish price action to whatever side. That's it. And we have seen that market tends to remain bullish to whatever side we have seen so many times. So 15-minute time frame, we could be bullish from here. We don't know, but say 10:32 on the house, we have to be careful with the time as well. Maybe not this 1 hour, maybe next hour, 1 hour market once to upper side, which is possible. This time I wanted to see a break toward upper side from here. I'll be putting my stop loss below this low once it break this level. Let's see. So yeah, if it fails to go above the previous side now, then it is likely going to go down from here. We have seen that it did not show any intent to go below this low. You can close your position, I think so. I usually trade with the two sides, but I took this trade. I was not confident on choppy, sloppy price action from the market, and that's why I took a small trade, just in case. Maybe I'm not willing to put my real money into that. So far, still sloppy, choppy price action from the market. You can keep a stop loss a little bit down, but can I put my stop loss a little bit down and then let the trade run? Or how would you feel like if I could have done that? The reason if they would have no volatility on a charts or willingness, but this is not a idle trading environment. I would say not at all idle trading session as well on the market. I would say that it is likely a possibility now it will disrupt all of those lows. We'll have another opportunity maybe if market give us opportunity in here. So look at this, like it wants more of like going down from here, keeping those highs in play. So I will be stopped out. I think so on this trade. I did not want to put my stop loss a little bit down. The stop loss stopped out. Uh, look at the bounce. Oh my! That's how you have to hold on some point at some point. That's why you just have to keep your trade held on. That's it. This is what I have learned so far. Like after doing your analysis, anticipation, probabilities, as long as you are not risking too much, you have to hold on to your trade, man. And that's how it should be trading. I wanted to wear my socks. Oh, the weight is going down. Should have to go to the opposite now. What is it? It has shown rejection and then going down now because it wants to scare you. That's why it wants to tell you that it is going up, but it is not going up. Yeah, I can feel myself. My life is getting better. We are chasing something every single day, which is good. So not living in hindsight. This is the main goal I am on right now. Like I do not want to be in hindsight, man. Living my life in hindsight. So now why it is going not up, man? Like look at this shit, man. Crazy going on. I think it will stop me out now. I would have been really confident to keep my stop loss in there, not closing the position if I would have understand that this market is that smart money is more of a like trading this environment, and smart money could have their stop loss below this low. So right now, like this point, the way I was keeping the stop loss in these low, I don't think so smart money would put this their stop loss below these lows on charts. I don't think so. Like the way we have seen yesterday, I was just telling you guys like the way it has created this high. This was rejection, rejection, rejection. The way it has created this high, I was like, I think so. Smart money has a stop loss above this high now. They will send the price toward the low levels, and I was not feeling that way today. I was not at all feeling that case scenario, like in that sense today. So that's why if you're not feeling like that, and you will see that those highs and those lows where smart money will enter the market will never and ever show any intent to go above or below them, and you will be like crazy confident on those lows or those highs, considering that smart money has entered the market, and then they will send the price up or down the way we have seen yesterday and today. I put my stop loss just below this low. I was like, I don't think so smart money has the stop loss below this low, so it means that this low could be knocked off. So we have knocked off. If you watch out after 9:30, market is more of like choppy to me, like this morning session, and we can anticipate. I've seen sometimes, by the way, because of news, market is bullish or bearish, and morning session choppy. I have seen that as well. So s- the same thing, more of like market is more of like telling me right now. Look at this. It has been very chop, chop, chop. Like not really willing to go to the upside, not willing to go down one side. Very slow candles, because market has already done what it has to do after the new day candle, after the after the after the news. That's it. It has disrupted all of those highs. Now we can, and this is the overall bigger picture time frame level of resistance we are trading in. Choppy sideways price action, slow price action in this range. I will be leaning more of like bearish, but Considering for now this is not the element of time, I'm not willing to risk like for a swing trade short in here. But continue to trade like this in this range, I would be more of like considering to go for a short on the bigger picture time frame. We just discussed everything on that case scenario. So we took a trade, we took a loss in today on the demo. It was not a good trade. I was keep on telling you, very choppy projection, not willing to risk anything, not willing to risk a big size, not willing to risk a real money into this trade. Could stop out, could go to upside. This is just a probability trade, 50-50. So did not play it well like this the way we have anticipated. So I'm looking for just tomorrow or Friday two good uh, real money trade on JAWS. That's it. Tomorrow and Friday this week, I couldn't be able to get just these two good trades. I'll be pretty much happy, very happy on JAWS. I will be very happy on JAWS. But this is how it is. It is very important. Yes, you watch out the market for certain point, morning session, afternoon session, but you have to know overall, like at what point, like when market is trading at certain levels, and you should have to also anticipate afternoon session and London session as well on charts, like how it is. London session is more of like new day opening bell as well. And today we have seen that, yesterday as well we have seen that London session has been bullish. After the new day opening candle, market was bullish. Today as well we have seen that. I was anticipating bearish price action. If not bearish, it will be bullish. And I was pretty much confident that it will knock all of those highs if it has to be bullish. And then it was not going down, so you look for the buy signals on charts and you buy and you wait sit still. This could have been a trade in our new day after the new day opening bell. So that's why like you have to be more of like be in front of the charts, look to be in front of the charts when you off the hours as well, like anticipating this could happen, and then be in front of the charts, like let's see how it goes. If I find opportunity, go for it. So this is what we have learned as well uh, from today's price action on charts. And look at this on bigger picture time frame. If for example after new day opening bell, you buy in here. So at this point when it disrupt this low, I was like, bro, if this could be the top, if this is the top, the weight has gone down. I want to see aggressive downside price action to disrupt all of those previous lows on bigger picture time frame, which we was anticipating in here to be knocked off. But I was like, bro, tomorrow we have a news as well on charts, and these highs market has left them not to be knocked off. Possible this could be the top. Market may not go above this high, but if this is the top, market should have to be aggressively going down from it. If it remains sideways at this range, I will be more of a like in concern to look to buy to just again go toward upper side to disrupt all of those highs. And the same thing it has done at the time. You watch the market, you observe the market, it has been choppy sideways for a second from the market. Why did not from here go down below the previous lows? Why got the bounce from here? What is holding this 4 hour time frame daily for low on charts? Continue to hold this level. And this is more of like London session going on in a market. And this is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap market has kept open as well. If you go to 30-minute time frame, this is a 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Market did not show any intent to go, not showing any intent to go below the 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well, keeping this open. This is a 1 hour time frame fairly gap market just wicked into that lower level of daily 4 hour time frame fair value gap as well. We have seen a resistance at this range at some point. Now acting the spot. You can risk this buying in here. Where would you put your stop loss? Not below this low, definitely. But you can for a swing trade. This is a very good trade for a swing trade. I would say that. Uh, Sorry, this is not the thing. Where is it? If you're just buying in here, risking, even though if you can put your stop loss below this low, this is a very good trade by with 3.6 hour. And we were trading right now 5 hour. We just have to anticipate these highs. You just have to watch out these bigger picture time frame highs will be knocked off. Just buying in here, you can put your initial stop loss, more for swing trade as well. Buy in here, stop loss keep there. Have a belief on yourself, have a belief on your setup, have a belief on your trade. You can risk that. You're willing mm, to risk that for all of those big gains road up upside. This would have been a way good trade. I would say that. Just a 5 minute time frame really gap in here. So this is again more like going down from here. 30 minute time frame, we have this low on here. 5 minute time frame, we still have this fairly gap in here. So just keeping this line in here, and then this is not an ideal trading environment for the buy, for not at all ideal trading session, because I think the market has done what it has to do in the London session, and after the news, that's it. I have seen sometimes it happened after the news, market really do not do nothing. So I'm not still not confident on all of those highs. I'm still not confident on all of those highs right now, and we need this. I wanted to delete this level, by the way, because it is not giving me, because this is the 50% of the. Let me see what is the 50% of this level is 14.5. Okay, we'll just keep this. I'll delete this level some because it's can't see anything. There's a 5 minute time value gap as well. Let's see if it has a potential, because 15 minute time frame, 30 minute time frame. 1 hour time frame. We have 8 minutes left. Uh, so these are the previous local lows on charts. I don't know. So let's see if market has a potential to disrupt these lows and from this range still be bullish, because we're not really confident on all of those highs as well. And then we will be looking for 114,500 or maybe 105,200, maybe possible as well. So let's see. I was still bullish. If you watch it right now, this has been more of a bullish price action from the market. Could come down. I would anticipate a low high this range, be bullish. And what may be likely possibility is also is maybe market keep all of those highs in play, go down when everybody's bullish, all of a sudden roll down from here toward lower levels. This is also possible as well, because this is what most of the people will not be thinking. If it has to do this, if it should not have to not to go above this high, not to go above this high, not to go above this high, not to go above this high. This is a fairly gap it has respected. So you can put your stop loss above this high. You can look for this low, inversion of these fairly gaps for these lows, and for the further continuation toward downside as well, which is also possible. So as we're bullish, I'm looking for the market this range to be continue to be bullish, but it could be bearish as well from here. All of a sudden roll down. This is what most of the people would not be thinking about right now. It's just 1044, 54 on house possible, and we can say that morning session more of like has been choppy. Afternoon session could be continuation or reversal. Continuation maybe toward upper side. It has all of those highs. This could be the reason for the market to continuation or reversal, leaving all of those highs going down, which is also possible. This is what we have to predict right now in charts. So for example, I'm anticipating right now not to go above this high, disrupt this low, invert this fairly gap in here, and then try to disrupt these lows and come down to this area on charts. Let's see if it has, or if we continue to hold this area, then we will be bullish on charts, looking for the market to go to the upper side. Because this low has been just not been disrupted right now. If it has to go down from here, it should not have to go above this high. Just watching and observing, doing nothing right now at the moment. So we have a one out of close, which is done. So we check out this inefficiency in here. So for bullish case scenario, I would be anticipating from the market. We have this is the last hour of 4 hour time frame going on as well. We have to be careful because we have been quite bullish on this 4 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame we have nothing in here. 5 minute, 15 minute time we have nothing in here. So I'll be anticipating market not to go below the slow from here, be bullish. So I wanted to highlight this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. This is more of like 1 hour time frame. Pinky is 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Pink. And let's see from here market is bullish. I'm anticipating right now just one thing. Don't need to highlight in here. It's fine. It will be great if market not to go below this low. From here we're bullish. Let's see. It is possible it could come down as well. From this range we'll be bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side. Because this is one out of failure gap. So we don't need this for now. Keep the simple. Let's keep the things simple, man. So we don't need this for now as well. So this is the previous high, major high on charts. This is a 50% of this daily fair value gap, and we have one out of fair value gap as well. I'm anticipating from this range market should have to be bullish. We are not confident on all of those previous highs, and we are already bullish. So continuation to the upper side, I'm anticipating. Maybe this could happen in right now in the morning session. Maybe market could spend some time at this range, an hour. This happened afternoon session as well. Possible. We cannot deny this. So let me do this, finish this business on Twitter thingy, and then because I really don't know like what I have to do for today. I want to know like yeah we are in front of the charts. I'll be in front of the charts in the morning and afternoon session as well. But I really wants to do like I want to define myself like what actually I have to do. So that's why. So we will be reading the Bitcoin chart for 8 to 10 hours. We have to do live stream. And upload a shot. Have to, oh my god, I can't edit or upload my next short or reel. We'll see if I can be able to do that. So I did have to go to the gym. Which is done. I've been into the gym pretty late today. Have to I'm just anticipating the first possibility on a chart is not to go below this low. If it has not to go below this low, my stop losses will be below this low, looking for the market to go toward upper side. I'm not taking this position, by the way. For example, we buy in here. I'm putting my stop loss just below this low, looking for all of those highs, just 2 to 1, or maybe 1 or 14,500 as well in here. So just anticipating this move, not taking any kind of trade, and not even in a demo, not even real money, just anticipating this move. Let's see if it played out. Bigger picture time frame, do you think it is possible? 15-minute time frame could be possible. 30-minute time frame could be possible. 1 hour time frame could be possible as well. So yeah. What it is I have to do apart from trading, like the most important thing. The three most important thing I have to do is like trading, how to become a better trader, to grow, how to grow my on my social media profiles, how to grow them, have to work on my new resin art company, set up social profiles, have to learn some trading skills, video trading skills, have to learn some gym calisthenic skills, I have to do my research about cars, have to So these are the things I will be doing today. So I'll be watching this morning session, afternoon session. Live stream is done. I will upload just short later. Then I have to work on my this thing which is important to me, which is like I have to set up my Notion template. If I go from in here for trading, Notion, not TIIO, and Notion templates here, like Notion templates, like something like that. So if I log in from my Gmail, so it will show my this one. I have to really have to work on this one. This is not important. Not really. We have 115, 113. So we are trading 113, exact 113, yeah. So 113 is there. We have liquidity in here. 115 is there as well. We have liquidity in there as well. So yeah, 115, 300 approximately. Binance chart. So 115, 300, 200. We have a liquidity on. 115, 300, 115, 113, yeah. So let me check on symbols, yeah. So yeah, so I was just anticipating my stop loss is just below this low. We buy in here. We're looking for all of those highs. This is not ideal environment to go for a short buy in here, because so far we have seen after the opening a complete choppy price action from the market. This is what we can anticipate, that because market is bullish, everybody will be after the news. It has gone to the upper side. Everybody, if for example, if those highs would have not been knocked off before the news, before the opening bell, market would have been stay down, and after the opening bell I would have anticipated all of those highs on charts of volatility as well. So because of the news already has been knocked off, we are trading inside more of like bigger picture time frame resistance. At this range, we can anticipate a choppy or soft floppy price action from the market. The second reason is everybody will be looking for the market to go to the upper side, but it is not willing to go to the upper side for now. Possible, but for a trade, you can take the trade. There's no denying about this. We can take the trade because we're bullish. You can put your stop loss below the previous lows. We took a stop buy in here, looking for the previous highs to be knocked off, but we got stopped out. It was demo trade, small size trade. We can't afford to lose that. That's how it is. So yeah, as long as we're trading, we are trading inside this range. I will be more of like quite bearish at this range from charts. So we have, this is the thing. So I have to work on Notion template and then edit. Oh, we'll see if I can be able to upload something. Social media, really important. I have to work on my resin art company. I have to set up all of those profiles, which is very important to me for today. I have to do that. Which is, these are not important. Trading skill, video editing skills, gym skills, which is important for long term, but for now, no. So let's see if I can be able to do that today. I want to see if what I've done yesterday. Yeah, I really have to work on how to grow my. The last important thing is like really have to work on like how to grow my two YouTube channels. And last but not least, this is very bad by the way. Remain focused on trading all the time. So can I buy now? I'll put my stop loss below this low and look for all of those highs. Do you think it is possible? It is very slow price action from the market, man. So far, it has been complete choppy price action from the market. No, just 15-minute time frame. Just watch out the market after 9:30. 9:30 was here. Just gone from here there to there. Like five. If we go to 5-minute time frame, we'll see from here 9:30 to here in here. So complete choppy price action. Market is not actually willing to do something. If while watching the charts, if I can be able to do this shit, so it will be good. So I'm working on this one because I really want to set my trading rules in here. To before I start the trading, I'll read my rules, rewind my rules, do the checks in here every single day. It will show my dates in here as well. So this is a template I got just got to I've got to find just a couple of days ago, and then we'll do some motivation in here. We'll change this as well, and at the bottom of it, we will do some journaling of my trades, even in demo, even in real money as well. So all that for now. So this is more of like I wanted to change all of these as well. So yeah, this is what I have to really work on, and I can look for another more templates as well. Maybe if I could find something better. So for now, this is the journaling setup. I find like it is good. This is where I used to do like my trading journaling before. So this is also fine, but I really want to do some check before I start my day. Like I do my checks before I start the session. I do my checks and then all that. Getting started. This is not task list. This is more of like task list template. You have to do all of the tasks. You can do that. You can download the app, and these are the extra. I've just journaling. We have. We can look to do that as well. So journal in here. System is here. Vectors, what is charts, weekly planner, notebook, bookmarks. So we'll say daily trading review, risk management, watch out. This is also fine, but leverage trades portfolio. This is, I think, so no, not too good. This is a look at this. It has gone down from here. We got stopped out. Like, look at this. I'm just telling you. So that's why I was just telling you because it is very choppy to me. This price action. I'm not willing to risk anything into that. Oh my god, I have to check that. This is the journaling as well. Something. Uh, I actually don't need this one for us. So now, for now, we'll keep that because I have to make some changes on it. So yeah. Uh, hmm. What is not showing in here? Offline. If you guys can hear me, I'm not sure if you guys can see me or hear me. Hello, hello. Good 5 years, pretty much. So this is the same 1 hour time frame prevailing gap we're trading inside. I was just anticipating this. This is the low market not to go below this low. Overall, still we are bullish. We have not. I'm not confident on all of those highs. Still, maybe market is not willing to go to the upper side. This is 11:13 now in a house. We'll start. We'll see after 12, half past 12. There will be volatility on a chart for the afternoon session, and I wanted to see afternoon session if we continue to trade it at this range, holding this area. I will be looking for all of those highs in the afternoon session and 1:14,500 for the continuation toward upper side. And we will also keep an eye on the charts. Maybe it is possible that this could be the top, and we have been like bullish. And this is the 30 minutes. That 30 minutes left. This has been bullish for a section on 4 hour time frame. We have seen that if it close like a big wick toward upper side and a close like here, this 4 hour time frame, maybe we may not go above the previous 4 hour time frame high, which is also possible as well on charts. And we can say that. So I'm anticipating next 4 hour time frame candle. Next 4 hour time frame candle could be, if we close like this, I will be more like willing to pushing the price toward the previous 4 hour time frame candle high and this daily high. If it close like this, very close, if it close like close to the previous week, and if it close like in here, this week will be quite long. Market may not go above the previous high. We may just show rejection from there. This is also possible, and then could come down as well. As we're bullish, I would be anticipating next 4 hour time frame to knock the previous 4 hour time frame high and further continuation to the upper side. So that's how it is. We are watching and observing the charts. We got a hit today. It was not a good trade. I was keep on telling myself it's not a good trade. It was a demo trade, small size trade. I was like, you can risk that. And I was keep on telling myself this is not ideal trade. But we got struck out on this, and we can willing we I can risk that. So it was on just on a demo. We are doing practicing as well. So on real money, I was like, I'm not going for any kind of trade in here. So we did not go for trade on real money. So we're learning. We're trying to become a better trader. We're trying to align our life according to charts trading, and which is what I love to do. And I have to do everything. I will do everything to become a better trader, and really like so procrastinating the things. The two most important thing I really have to work on myself is I do always live in hindsight, which is what I hate for ages, for forever in my life till now. I have been living in hindsight, living my life in a hindsight, or doing something, but in your mind there is something else going on. Forever and ever, this has been happening to me, and I have really have to work on this and procrastinating the things. Like I always delay the things. I always like, oh, we'll do this later. We'll do this after some time. Like if you're doing something, you have to like, put your heads down. Really, like, this is what I really want to do. Like once I become a better trader, I really have to put my heads down deep and then locked in. Think about trading. think about getting better trader, all that stuff. Really have to work on myself on these two things. So trading is more of like preparing yourself to become preparing yourself. It's not about like he has done this, he has done this. It's more of like fight between you and you. That's it, and it will be always like that. So this is the thing. We'll get some lunch maybe, and we'll come back at in the afternoon session for something. Sorry, guys. Uh, it's 11:36 now. I think the market will wait for the afternoon session to do something. Maybe. So I'm not confident all of the sides are still bullish, and I'm anticipating a more for like upward side price action from here. Hmm. Habit tracker, personal finance tracker, authentic weekly planner, life planner, land the internship, your digital career launch to automate. Hmm. So I'm looking for a template for relates to trading. Study agenda. So I really have to go downstairs as well to do something with my chicken, and then come back again for the afternoon. It's better to make some social media right now, and I want to check weather for tomorrow. Tomorrow 70% chance of raining. Saturday 74, 75. So it's gonna be cold these days now, getting cold, yeah. Now there will be rainy weeks coming up. Everybody will be more of like not using any kind of social media for now. I don't push, and finally enter. Don't know what he's going to say. Oh, and the other thing I want to check right now is it's not that. Uh, man, oh my gosh, this is going to be horrible. Tomorrow I have to go for work, man, and then there's no tube tomorrow. What time you want me to leave? 7, 6:50. Okay, to 10. Can't do that. God. So I have to go to South Hall. If somebody could drop me to South Hall in the morning, who can drop me South Hall? And for me, that will be easy. That will be more convenient. And then who will be woke up at tomorrow? Looks some 8 o'clock. If somebody could drop me to South Hall. Oh my god, this will be jam packed busy South Hall. Oh, shit. Oh my god, what is going on in here? Oh my god, if I go to hire Uber, it will take too much money. Let me check if to get to the board. So yeah, I think I should have to finish this live stream, guys. Should have to finish this live stream, guys. So this is the thing right now. I'm not at all confident on all of those highs right now. Maybe watching this live. Do you think this could be the low on charts? From here, market will not go below this low, and then from here it will be bullish. Or should I have to wait for 18 minutes for the 4-hour time from close, and we have this 1 hour time from close as well about to happen. This is what it is. I am thinking about right now. 1 hour time frame will happen as well, and then next 1 hour time frame we will be anticipating all of those three highs to be knocked off. 30-minute time frame. Do you think market could be bullish from here? It's 42 right now on house. Or it is also possible that it could knock all of those highs between this 10 minutes and then next 10 minutes of the an hour. A macro, you can say. 15-minute time frame could be bullish for all of those highs. We cannot deny this. So let's see that now. I'm anticipating this is a low now. If this is a low, this is also a low. Now it has the potential to disrupt all of those highs. Just watching and observing, doing nothing. Overall, we are bullish. That's why we have all of those highs we're not confident on. This is one out of a fairly gap. So that's why I am watching and observing. So the only reason I'm not really confident to go for a buy in here, the reason is we may wait for the 4 hour time frame close to happen. And then next 4 hour time frame, we will be looking for the market to go to our side. Market may give us more of like time next hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to be doing something on charts. So we were just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing so far. So it was pretty choppy morning session from here to here. The reason is market has, I believe, so market has already done what it has to do on bigger picture time frame before the opening, late in after new day opening, and also because of the news as well. We have seen that, and then we can anticipate choppy price action in the morning session, and same thing we can anticipate in the afternoon session as well, a choppy price action in the afternoon session as well, and then maybe Asian session, London session as well. Market will be same like that. If market remain choppy and sideways in afternoon session and London morning session, afternoon session as well, I will try to keep an eye on the market on the London session tomorrow, just after the new day opening, for the market to be bearish at this range, which is possible because this is the bigger picture time a level of resistance on charts. We can be sideways at this range and be bearish because we have a news as well tomorrow coming up. If it is also possible that afternoon session market may be bearish, Asian session may be bearish, London session may be, oh sorry, afternoon Asian London session market remains sideways, and market, because of the news, market make a high, and then after the news tomorrow, I'm talking about tomorrow, after the news, market come down to low levels because we are bearish at this range. This is also possible. And we have a news coming up Thursday, Friday. We have CPI news coming up today, was PPI news day. To have PPI news, and then we have Friday as well, come news coming up as well on chart. So we cannot deny for the fact that tomorrow and Friday there will be volatility on charts, and we will see how the market will perform on certain levels on a projection at a certain stage. We don't know. We're just watching and observing. We'll be keeping an eye on charts. We'll be working on ourselves, which is very important. Chasing something, and not living in a hindsight, and also what was the other thing? Not living in a house and not procrastinating the things. Like, you have to be active, you have to be smart, think about this, that all the time. So all of the things which is very important in life, and understanding, keeping your mind active and open all the time, what it is, and speak less. That's how it should be, I think so. Yeah. So that's how it is. We're just watching and observing. We'll see how it goes. 15-minute time frame. You can say that this could be the long charts. So till now, I haven't. This week has been not really going good well for me. We have taken two bad trades. Not, it was not normal trades. We were risking too much, not too much on demo on Monday. Tuesday we did not take any trade. Yesterday, which was yesterday, and then today we took another trade and it was in a loss. So as long as you're risking not too much, you're still fine with this. Like, if you can see those losses are 200, just a $60. I can't afford to $20, $200. So these are not. I'm not risking too much. So even though if you can see the gains in here, it's 900. It's more of like 1300 on a trade, 200, 100, 500. This was more of like bad trade. I don't know when I took this trade. Five contract. After this contract, five contract. I'm not trading, say, with a big size. Not trading with a big size. Just trading with the two contract. That's it. Or one contract. That's it. So this is how it is. So far we are at down this week. A couple of losses, and we have not taken any trade with the real money. I'm mainly focused on from today or tomorrow, just to look for two trades on a two good positive trades on a market with my real money. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. So far, I would say that I have not find a very good trade or very obvious setup on a charts to put my real money into risk. So this is how it is right now. Still a lot to learn, a lot to grow, a lot to do meetups, which is very important. You have to be like around yourself, keep yourself around with those people who are already into this industry making money. So at some point, at something, like, they will give you something, even though nobody tells you their secrets. Like, you have to learn how to get the things out from people, asking questions. These kind of questions, they think like, oh, this is a different question. So That's how it is. It's not easy job. Uh, will you? Yeah, this month, yeah, on 27th of September. Oh my God, this is bad going on. From 27th of September, I have to go for an event as well in London happening. We'll do some meetup. We'll talk with the people, trading industry, how everything is going on. So we'll try to learn something from people who are already into this space making money. So yeah, this is how it is. I hope you guys get to learn something. We had a good time. I had a good time. So still a lot to learn. So a lot to achieve. It's 11:48 now in the house. So I'll go quickly downstairs to do some some meal prep, and then we'll do something. How we'll see how it goes on charts. This is what it is, and I'll see you guys in the tomorrow. We may not do live stream because I will be at my job. We'll do live stream on Friday. We'll see if we can find a trade opportunity. So this is what it is I'm looking for in my mind. Just look for two very good trades. Uh, be in front of the charts for next 2 days. It will be more like 48 hours. So I can be able to just be in front of the charts more of like 8 to 16 to 40 years, like 24 hours in front of the charts and look for trade. It will be great. Like if I can be able to do that, which you can find a trade. I'm pretty obvious. Like you aim for like tomorrow to 2 days, Friday, Saturday. Oh, so no, Thursday, Friday. You can aim for to be in front of the charts like for 24 hours. It's 48 hours, like half one day. You have to be more of like I'll be 20 to 24 hours. I will be trying to be in front of the charts for the next 2 days and look to find a good obvious trades for to put my real money into risk. So this is how it is. So that's how it is. I'll see you guys on Friday.